guys, Christine here. So what I have going on today is I have some Happy Mail swaps coming up, and I want to go ahead and just make some small note cards that I can send the Happy Mail with. I just realized I didn't have this cleaned up, I apologize. And I had started doing some Distress Oxides, and I got as far as this, and it's just not, the stripes just aren't what I was looking for. So I want to go ahead and have a redo on these and do an extra one. And so what I'm going to do is I'm just going to get some Distress Oxides down on my mat here, get them damp, run the cards through them. And these are mini cards that I get on Amazon. They are approximately 4.5 inch by 6.5 inch. They're just great for little notes. So I'm going to get some colors down. I have Seedless Preserve, Hickory Smoke, Antique Linen, Picked Raspberry, Old Paper, and Broken China. So we'll just kind of do one of these and throw on some music and have a quick little mini card tutorial. Guys, I have let these dry for about an hour and they are pretty well set now. I will say the seam has started to fuzz, so these really couldn't have taken any more. What I want to do now is decorate the covers. So I'm just gonna get this propped down. And I have this cool stamp set I got from Carabelle Studio. It's a Burgett Coupsin. I'm trying to see, the name is Roadside Weeds, and it's just really a neat set. I'm going to consider this to be like the red rubber because it is a thicker, so on my platform I'm going to use the red rubber stamp setting, and I thought these would be neat to just, let's see how I want to do this. Maybe hold it there. And then I don't know if this one will fit. Okay. So, I'm going to get my black archival ink on this and we'll see how this one stamps. And what I'm going to do is, because this is going to take me a little bit, I'm just going to go ahead and fast forward this section, throw on some music for you, and you can watch me stamp through them. Guys, so there we have it. 4 simple yet super pretty Distress Oxide cards. So see, all you need is, even if you have just some stock paper, cardstock paper, you can cut down yourself some small cards, throw some Distress Oxide on there, and you have yourself, with one stamp set, a unique set of note cards. So I hope this video inspired you. If you liked it, remember to give it a thumbs up. Go ahead, hit that subscribe button, and you'll stay up to date on all my latest releases. Thanks, guys.